Welcome back to my channel, viewers and subscribers from on your device. And I don't know who, real one there. So people, me bring some video for share with you know. So yes man, me bring a video with this guy and his guy. The guy claimed that he's demons possessed, you know, so you can check that out. And we also have some video clips of the damage, you know, where the flood do in a Funtail, St. Thomas, so you can check that out also. Yes people, big up on yourself.
Imagine I can't sleep night time. Because I saw this girl set it and just die in a car and peeping and peeping and peeping. No. I'm going to talk something social media. I'm going to talk something now. You know what I'm telling y'all? It's not a madman. I can't just what I'm saying. Y'all know why the tomb broke the other day? Y'all know why? The tomb break because Latanya Pierce and her mother didn't want to feed me. You didn't come to feed me, so I shame you. I shame you. God got life for me, you know. Yo, you see this thing with that for me? I tell it every night. Come out of me body. My body belongs to the Most High, you know. Ask Raven, every man wrong me, you know. And I'm mad me around mad, you know, people. And the demon where them send, you know. Anybody who can help me, anyhow. Because like how I can go up on social media and cuss selector. Me a beg you for help, because I need it right now. Because to make me can't sleep. And this is what I'm going to tell you. Take me upon a church and watch when the snake come out or the baku come out. Watch who is going to get exposed. Don't play with God. Latanya Pierce, you and your mama go collect back on the back and change on your life. Okay then. Alright. Shine some light so we can. Social media. This is not Magnum talking to y'all, you know. This is Dorel Kesteromeo talking to y'all. I'm going through something right now. What is not a laughing matter. A serious thing. Here what I going through. In the night, it's problem for sleep. Last night for the first time. See people is talk about Obi and them thing is not real and Baku and them thing. For the first time, I see a Baku. God above me. You ever tell you? Latanya Pierce. Latanya Pierce. You and your mother. See, y'all send this back you know, and this snake. People, anybody, I moving up like a snake. You're waiting for the new moon because a Magnum supposed to run mad. Magnum supposed to do things what he ain't supposed to do. So when I do it, you know, people gonna say, I know the boy what I run off, but people they never know it's not me. You know how long this thing there for me, people? Like these people buy this thing as a child and put it now it start grow. As the moon change, it said Guyan. Well, I tell you, Latanya Pierce, you and your mother, you all waiting for the moon change. Remember, it's God control the moon, you know. Don't play with me, you know. People right now, me put in shame, I need help. Anybody know a church, pastor? Right now, these people just cloud up everywhere for me. If 20 people want to link up and say, Magnum, me and my church coming by you and trample every demon. Watch when the snake jump out of me, who gonna punish? Watch who gonna punish, I know he's not a madman.
I was thinking about that last night.
But that's the place black and just left it.
This so?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They strip that.
Yeah, Danny, I'm not video me now. Then on your phone at me see a point for me. Oh, okay. Come on up. This is when I start for the right way.
People St. Thomas flood out. Look like a St. Thomas get the whole of the rain, people. We only hope everybody alright, you know, and the people them can continue go about them daily routine. They don't know the thing go already. Real one there.
Walk up the sun. No, landslide right there.
It's a dry river.
No man, a river always run, man.
No man, this river is a dry river.
What I mean? Sometimes dry up, you know.
I mean, to go to the building there.
On the fight top?
All the wire, them everything they know.
On the fight top, the water reach. Huh?
River down so down.
Yeah, but the river you come down here and say, upon the river that is upon me.
It's a George River.
The George River is come down from this.
Water never in this.
I might always go
But it's
sometimes.
still come down half you know, so they say, you back up, based on the light post over George.
But then should not hurry up and do them.
Can't hurry up.